Okay, look what I finished today. That wasn't so bad, huh? This became quite nice. Turned out quite nice. I will soon post a full tutorial on my YouTube channel, so you can watch there. You will find a link in the description, and please check it out. Build this painting like crazy, and it's wet as crazy, but I guess that's how it is. I'm always kind of late, so hope you go check it out. And there's a lot of other videos on my YouTube channel, so please check it out and sign up and subscribe and put a notification bell and everything. I really need help to grow my channel, so stay cool, keep painting, yay. Okay, here we are. Here you can see some of the beautiful brushwork I did in this painting. I painted this wet in wet and just added layer upon layer upon layer, and instead of using glazes I tried to get overpaint and overpaint, but to get all the different colors into the textures and brushwork by doing it that way, and I think it worked out. Now go to my main channel and check out the full painting tutorial. You'll find a link here soon, and also a link in description. So, and hit the notification bell and give a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Brushwork is all about paint. Also check out my Patreon and sign up for $1.05 if you can afford it. Thank you.